Hi there, it's Ninette from the Metal Embossing Academy. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to sign up for our free 5-day Metal Art Challenge. I hope you had a chance to look at the pre-workshop worksheet, which will help you delve deeply into the direction you want to head in with your art. It's a time to connect with the things that inspire you, that bring you joy, that give you life. And in the meantime, in the couple of days before we start the challenge, I want to encourage you to start looking at some basic supplies. So I've attached the PDF for you, but I want to ask you, please, please, please don't go out and buy a bunch of stuff. I want you to be creative and to think out of the box. So for this challenge, we're going to look at things that we can make from offcuts, things that you've used for previous products or previous projects. So please don't go out and buy anything new. So if you have some metal tape or pewter or aluminium sheet or even copper sheet lying around, cut those into small squares. So I'd say about 10 by 10 centimeter squares, just a little block so we can play around and have fun with them. Start looking around at things that have interesting textures around your house. These could be shells, stones, feathers, leaves, whatever intrigues you and things that you find interesting. It could be lace, it could be fabric offcuts. So anything with interesting textures, start gathering those and keep them aside for the challenge. Also, we're going to have a play with color that you can use on metal. So these include things like Sharpies or glass paint or acrylic paint. You can even use gilding waxes. Again, please, I don't want you to buy a bunch of stuff. Okay, we're going to be creative with what we have on hand. That's part of the fun. So also start gathering some old magazines if you have, and start tearing out pictures of things that inspire you. It could be lines, it could be colors, it could be shapes, it could be animals or things like that. So just start gathering some information and gathering inspiration. It could be, you don't even need to have it physically. You can start doing a Pinterest board of things that you're truly inspired by and that you want to use moving forward in your metal art. So again, thank you for signing up. I'm excited to join you on this journey. This is actually deeply personal for me as well, and I'm on the journey of finding my own creative voice or redefining it. It's always a journey, it's always a process. And yeah, if you haven't joined the Facebook group yet, please do so. I'll pop the link below, and let's start introducing ourselves and having some fun getting to know each other.